this fishnet. Something in the blue outfit. That's pretty. A lot of these you don't get to pick your colors on.
Oh, yeah.
They just send you whatever they have. And it's broken. Some glow here.
Drama. New
I
drama.
can see perfectly out of these.
Oh my god, those look so cute. It's so cute. Let's take off the tag.
And you can see real good from them too.
Oh really? The other ones are so
No, this is Hollywood.
Oh my god. I just scared myself, you guys. Honey, look at this backdrop.
You'll figure out a place.
It's
for
brick.
all these.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I just thought it was unique and gray. I like gray. We're almost done.
Siren.
Oh, and this is the snowscape for snow.
You got an Archie?
Christmas or something.
That's Siren.
I can't believe I ordered that many backdrops.
Hi, Siren.
When I don't even know if it's for work or what it's like, but boy,